Imraro omkhulu indaba yokulwa kwenqheme endaweni le. Sikhuluma nje abafundi ababili babongazimbi besehlakalwesi. Ngeveke pheleleko uMboza noMaya bathena babuye ukufunda nabanye abafundi ebusuku basahlelwa babantu abahlome ngengigidi babadumuza. Ukubulawa abafundi aba kubangele izakhamuzi ukuthi zilale ehlathini kanti abantu abanengi basathole imkhono ehloko.
That faction fight has been going on for a long time. I thought maybe the government would have intervened at this point. I was really crying this morning when the policeman told me that my son died while he was crying. Said, I'm a school child. Don't shoot me.
I am very shocked because I was hoping that my grandson will change the situation here. He was very excited when he enrolled at this school. But I asked him, why is he choosing this particular school? Because there is faction fighting in that area.
When we arrived there, we saw 17 empty cartridges. The villagers came and gathered in the scene, but the attackers were no longer around the village.
Umnyango wezefundo uba ngathi nabanye ababelana ukuthi babambisane ngehlangothini lezokuphepha uqinisekisa ukuthi abafundi abathindekile lezi zindwa.
We need to be very vocal, publicly. To really once more mobilize our communities for effective schooling and mobilize our communities for the safety of our children in schools.
Amahlelo amaningi kahulumende ahlose ukuthuthukisa umphakathi nawo ajanyisiwe ngonobangela wokulo khona lokhu.